Today we are going to make 10-headed flashing figure of 10.5 inches. For making the figure, I have made the line of 10.5 inches. Divide it into 10 parts. 1 inch 0 to 1, 1 inch 1 to 2, and then again up to 10, and 0.5 inches 10 to 11 point. Then I have marked the points like for the width of the neck, then for the width of the shoulder, then for the width of the bust, then for waist width, then for hip width, and then for feet. I have made all the necessary marks which I need for making the flashing figure. Now I am going to make it like, first I will make the head block. For head block, I'll make it an oval at the point. When we make a head, we'll divide the 1/4 of that for the hairs and 3/4 for the neck. Now from point 1 to 2, this was 1 and this is 2. In between I take the center for the shoulder points and then the center of 0 and X for the neck width. For the neck width I have to take half inch, 0.25 inch total. So for that I'll make the neck from this point like this. Shoulders will go up to line 1. Now we will make the armholes from the point in between the 2 and 3 center, and then take the center from this point at this point. So we'll make the shape of the bodies like this. Now we'll match the line with the hip line to give the shape from the waist to the hip. Till the waistline, I'll shape my folded arm like flesh flow inside, curved part, and straight at the upper part like this. And then the hand will come at the waistline like this. Like this we can make our hand. It will attach with the wrist at the hip line. For making the legs, we'll make the knees at the center of the 6 and 7. Here we will mark the knees point. Till the knees point, I will give the curved shape, attaching the hip area. Now in between the point 9 and 10, I have marked the center for the feet area. Now I'll give the shape for the thighs like this. For drawing the feet, will make it like it will come up outside, it will go inside for making the fingers like this, and then it will move inside and join with the this way we can show the feet area. And for the next arm, side arm, we can make the arm up to the hip level. This is my hip level, so this till this area I will make my arm. Inside is a fleshy, so it will take a curve and then it will go straight. Here I will make my hand. Like this. This is my flashing figure for 10.5 inches 10-headed flashing figure. All my necessary details, and deleted up the center line, the center points which I don't need now, and it looks like this. We can make the bikini details like this, and although we can add up the facial details here, like the hairs, we can show the hairs if we want to make it. If we don't want, it's not necessary to add the details like this, we can add up, or if we don't want to add, it's up to you. So in this way we can make the 10.5 inches flashing figure front pose.